Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is pronouncing of adjectives with their meanings in sentences. So let's get started. The word is deafening, deafening, which means very noisy. There was a deafening roar as the rocket ship blasted off. The word is excruciating, excruciating, which means very painful. I have an excruciating headache. I can't even think straight. The word is destitute, destitute, which means very poor. He grew up in a destitute family that barely had enough food to eat. The word is devastating, devastating, which means upsetting or very damaging. The town was destroyed by a devastating flood. The word is gorgeous, gorgeous, which means very beautiful. Wow, those flowers are absolutely gorgeous. The word is swamped, swamped, which means very busy. I have 5 major projects to finish by the end of this week. I'm totally swamped. The word is thrilled, thrilled, which means very happy or excited. Joanna's parents were thrilled to hear that she'd won a full scholarship to college. The word is horrific, horrific, which means very shocking or scary. 50 people were badly injured in a horrific accident at the factory. The word is mind-blowing, mind-blowing, which means very amazing. Modern medical technology is mind-blowing. They can even operate on a baby before it's born. The word is miraculous, miraculous, which means very fortunate. This book tells the story of Henry's miraculous escape from a war-torn country. The word is fearless, fearless, which means very brave. He fearlessly walked into his boss's office and asked for a big raise. The word is preposterous, preposterous, absurd, absurd, which means very ridiculous. The store won't give you a refund even though it was their mistake. That's absurd. The word is frivolous, frivolous, which means very unimportant. If you want to save money, you have to avoid making frivolous purchases. The word is impeccable, impeccable, which means very perfect. His academic record is impeccable, and she's at the top of her class. The word is jittery, jittery, which means very nervous. Most people are jittery on a first date. Try to relax and just be yourself. The word is vital, vital, which means very important. It's vital to pay attention to the road while driving. I hope you found this video useful on pronunciation. We will have another available by next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember that practice makes perfect.